In front of me is Motorola Moto G87, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to tap on Sound and Vibration. Now scroll, and when you're ready, click on Vibration and Haptics section. Then use this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to turn them on or switch them off. If you wanna, you can enable them and then tap on all of those switches next to all of those features to enable or disable vibrations for them. Ring vibration. Vibrate first, then ring gradually. Vibrate for answered calls. Notification vibration. Alarm vibration. Touch vibration. And last but not least, media. When you've finished with all of those, go back and click on those two switches to manage those features too. Always show icon when in vibrate mode, and charging sounds and vibration. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!